In this video, let's try to understand how to verify logic gates by writing a Verilog code and also observe waveforms for the same. So open ACE folder, go to digital, right click, open in terminal. So we know the very basic two commands, that is CSH. The second command is source space /home/cad/cshrc vi. In order to open editor window, vi module name or file name is same as I mentioned many a times, it is logic.v. This is a basic program to verify logic gates. So we are basically checking for different gates like AND gate, OR gate, NOT, NAND, NOR and XOR. So this is written using a data flow description. So first line is module name of inputs and outputs. Inputs are A and B, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6 are the various outputs, where F1 signifies it is AND gate, F2 is OR gate, F3 is NOT gate, F4 is NAND, F5 NOR and F6 XOR. So define inputs are AB, outputs F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6. So we are assigning all the logics here. As I mentioned, F1 we are giving a symbols for each and every gates here. So all the gates are defined by giving an assign statement. So this is a data level description. So once we do that, so by forcing some values to A and B, we can verify the logic gates outputs. So register of inputs, wire of outputs, logic is the module name what we defined in the Verilog code, L1 is an instance, then in the inside initial we can force the values of A and B. So we will force for 4 combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Let's check out the output for the same. So escape colon WQ, quit and save. So the first command is to check for the compilation errors. So nc vlog native compiler Verilog code, file name is logic.v -mess. So second command is elaboration step, we all know that, right? nc elab -access plus read write control, module test bench name. You should always note down what module test name you give. So logic test is the module test bench name given here -mess. So next step is simulation, nc sim -gui module test bench name again. So that is logic test. Enter. It opens a SimVision software. So you select on the test bench. You can find AB as inputs and all the outputs. So we have forced values of A and B. Select all the objects AB, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6 and send it to waveform window. So then we can run or continue button. Yes. So let's verify the same. So when A is 0, 0, F1, F2 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So as I mentioned, F1 is, I repeat the same, F1 is AND gate, F2 is OR, F3 NOT, F4 it is NAND, F5 NOR and XOR. When A is 0 and B is 1, it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, so outputs will be as follows, it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. When it is 1 and 1, when A is 1 and B is 1, the outputs are F1 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 respectively. Thank you.